Age no longer defines us. Living, loving and thriving in a changing world. Not too long ago, every highway toll booth had a friendly face collecting change. Then, one day, they were just gone. No grand announcement, no headlines, just quietly replaced by technology. The world changed right in front of us, and most people didn't even realize it. Imagine living when the Wright brothers first took flight and realizing you had witnessed the beginning of a new era. But here's the thing. Most of us don't recognize those shifts in history while they're happening. And today, we are living through another shift, one just as profound. The old idea of aging should be gone, but it's still here. For generations, turning 65 meant slowing down, retiring, and fading into the background. But look around today. The people I meet, Medicare clients, friends, business owners, they're redefining what it means to grow older. They're not just living longer. They're living better. Science has conquered many of the things that were once cutting lives short. We've beaten diseases, extended life expectancy, and improved the quality of life for people well into their later years. But despite all this, the world hasn't quite caught up yet. Companies, media, even our own expectations are still using an outdated blueprint of what it means to be old. We are proving them wrong every single day. Age should no longer define us, but the fight isn't over yet. Take relationships. People used to think that age gaps mattered more than compatibility, that a number somehow dictated the success of a partnership. But in a world where an 80-year-old can outlive a 60-year-old, where health and mindset trump the calendar, doesn't it make more sense to choose love, passion, and connection over outdated rules? This is the new reality. We are not our parents' generation. The world may still be catching up to this truth, but we're already living it. We are the proof. But what do we do with this new reality? We are the first generation dealing with people whose biological age and actual age no longer match. We must challenge the outdated structures, push for new conversations in medicine, employment, and relationships, and redefine what it means to grow older. Like those toll collectors, the old ideas of aging should be gone. And yet, they persist. But in their place, we are carving out a new world of opportunity, adventure, and love, at any age. It's time we stop letting a number define us and start embracing the lives we are meant to live. Age no longer defines us. Live boldly. Love freely. Thrive always. Go avidasana.com to order your health supplements today. Go to Medicare self-enrol.com, enter your zip code to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area. Please like, share and subscribe if this information was of value to you and comment below.